Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you want to ace your exams and finally feel organized while studying, today's video is going to be a game changer for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Notion with a completely free study planner template to streamline your study sessions, track your progress, and give your prep a seriously professional edge. By the end, you'll know how to set up a customizable planner that keeps you motivated, on schedule, and feeling confident for your next exams. Let's jump straight in and set up your Notion study planner. We'll start by making things easy. Instead of building a planner from scratch, we're using a free template that'll do most of the heavy lifting for you. Templates are incredibly slick because they come with a polished, organized look, and all the basic structures you need already in place. And here's the best part. You can tweak pretty much everything later to make it fit your needs perfectly. So first, go ahead and open your Notion workspace. Take a look at the top left corner. You'll notice a little drop-down menu. Give that a click to get access to more options, which Notion keeps nice and tidy so you're not overwhelmed. Once you're inside, you'll want to find the Browse Templates feature. This is Notion's built-in gallery where you'll find a whole collection of templates for different needs. But today, let's focus on finding the perfect study planner. Here's a tip. Use the search bar within the template gallery and type in Study Planner. You'll get several different designs and styles. Feel free to scroll and check them out. Each one might have a slightly different layout or set of features, so pick the one that vibes best with your studying style. Maybe you like a planner with color-coded sections for each subject, or perhaps something streamlined and minimal. Don't rush this part. This template will be your study hub for weeks or months, so a few extra seconds is worth it. Once you've spotted the one, click to preview it. If you're happy with how it looks, hit Add, and Notion will instantly bring it into your workspace. This is where the magic happens. Now you can start molding it to fit you like a glove. Let's move on to personalization. Customizing your template isn't just about aesthetics. It'll help make your planner feel like it's truly yours, which can motivate you to use it consistently. Start by editing your credentials. You'll usually find areas to add your name, academic year, maybe even a brief study goal or vision statement. Take a moment to fill this out. It's almost like writing your name on the cover of a new notebook. Now, let's get a little creative. Most templates let you update the profile picture. You can use your own photo, a motivating image, or even your favorite meme. You can also change the name of the planner to something unique or inspiring, like A+ Ambitions or Road to Finals. All these little tweaks help make your study space enjoyable and inviting. Don't forget that you can always return to edit and refine the planner as your semester evolves. Maybe you'll want to add custom sections for different subjects or adjust how assignments are tracked. Notion makes it super easy to reorganize, so don't stress about getting things perfect on day one. And that's it. You now have a professional-looking, fully personalized study planner in Notion, and you're ready to take control of your study routine. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, drop a like to help others discover it, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or want tips for customizing your planner even further. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy, effective tutorials just like this. Good luck with your exams, and happy studying!